Vertical conveyors in either a sanitary or industrial environment are a critical component in lowering or elevating products safely, in a controlled fashion, and in a repeatable way. Our wide selection of available vertical conveyor systems are perfect for buffering, lifting up and over walkways, conveying products to an in-feed or scale for bagging, or simply adding vertical space for processes when floor space is minimal. Whether transporting raw foods prior to packaging or packaged goods prior to shipping, we have a variety of applicable solutions. Sanitary options include incline or spiral conveyors. Options for standard industrial environments include spiral, cleated incline or decline, wedge, alpine, or spiral conveyors, vertical transfer units with powered conveyor bed, or slat or bucket elevators. Raising or lowering products gently, quickly, and dependably is our goal with the vertical conveyor. We've been designing food manufacturing conveyor systems for over 30 years, and we have the experience to help you develop a solution for your facility. Learn more at nccas.com.